22.5.
But beautiful.
We were gonna short bank it all day.
My first big walleye of the season, 22, 23. How big was it?
22.5.
22.5.
But beautiful.
You got those nice
look at the
spots.
gut though.
Yeah, dude.
The gut is just awesome.
Hand me that quick. Beautiful big Wisconsin River walleye. Heading on back, honey.
Right there. Dude.
Heading on back, honey. Heading on back, honey. Bradley's got a fish on. Muskie? I'm coming. Bradley's got a muskie on. Hold up, I got pliers.
It's all part of the plan.
That's a spawning fish, so we're gonna get this girl unhooked as quick as possible. Boom, boom. There we go. Nice little muskie fishing walleyes. Let's go. Thought that was a heck of a walleye. That didn't get
I
good.
thought it was a 30-incher. That's about.
Beauty. Can I get the release? Here she goes.
Go in.
I got him, Johnny. Here, Tony. Bring him, Tony. I got him, Johnny. I know, I got him. Get him back. That was a 28. Bring him, Tony. I got him, Johnny. I know, I got him. Get him back. That was a 28.
Are you mad?
I wasn't mad.
Oh, you look mad.
Got him.
Oh yeah, nice one. Nice one. You can't even get it again.
It might be a different fish. Yeah.
You choked it.
Yeah, dude.
That's pretty nice. That's 22. 22. It's a pretty nice one right there. Yeah.
I like Walters. Look at that head on there, honey. Yeah, dude. I got it. I got it.
These ones. Huh? Yeah. These?
But he's drawn. But he's drawn. But he's drawn. But he's drawn.
When you bring that in, I'm gonna take a look at that. When you bring that in, I'm gonna take a look at that. When you bring that in, I'm gonna take a look at that. When you bring that in, I'm gonna take a look at that.
It's not huge. He's a long sick. It's not that big, is it? Nuh-uh. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Bring her here. Or get her there. Get her here. I'm coming to you. Nah. Tail grab, mama. Dude. Bradley's got one on. It's actually big?
Get that light, the lights
Right here? Where?
rock. So the carbon would be, it's a walleye.
It's not a walleye. Keep your rod tip down. Rod, if he jumps, rod tip down.